A 4.5 magnitude earthquake struck near Cesme, İzmir, Greece. The tremor was recorded early morning on Saturday, May 14, 2022, at 1:08 a.m. local time, at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers below the surface. The event was filed by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by the National Observatory of Athens, NOAA, which listed it as a magnitude 4.5 earthquake as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 4.5 and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 4.5.